If you're applying to jobs in 2026 and feel like you're sending out applications with zero results, this might be exactly what you need to hear. Because today, it's not just about applying more, it's about applying smarter. And that's where platforms like I Apply come in. But the real question is I Apply actually the best job application platform? Or just another tool that sounds good but doesn't deliver? Let's break it down in a clear, simple, and honest way. First, what is an I Apply? I Apply is an AI-powered job application platform designed to help you find jobs, customize your resume, write cover letters, and apply faster, all in one place. In simple terms, it's built to automate the most repetitive parts of your job search. So, instead of spending hours rewriting your resume for every job, the AI does it for you. Now let's talk about how it works. When you first sign up, you upload your resume and set your preferences. Things like job title, industry, location, remote, or on-site. The platform starts matching you with job listings, and this is where it becomes interesting. AI Apply doesn't just show you jobs. It actually helps you tailor your application for each one. For example, you paste a job description, and the AI rewrites your resume, generates a custom cover letter, highlights the most relevant skills. This is important because most companies use ATS systems. And if your resume isn't optimized, it might never even be seen by a human. Now let's talk about one of the biggest features. Autoapply. This is where the platform really stands out. Instead of manually applying to dozens of jobs, you can automate part of the process. That means faster applications, more volume, less manual work. But here's the reality. More applications don't always mean better results. So you still need to be strategic. Now let's talk about the pros. First, it saves a lot of time. If you're applying to many jobs, this can cut your workload significantly. Second, it helps with personalization. Instead of sending the same resume everywhere, the AI adjusts it for each role. Third, it's beginner-friendly. Even if you've never written a strong resume before, the platform guides you step by step. And fourth, it keeps everything organized. You can track your applications in one place. Now let's be honest, because this part matters the most. There are also some downsides. The biggest one is quality. Control. AI-generated resumes and cover letters can sometimes feel generic, repetitive, or too keyword-focused, and that's risky, because recruiters can tell when something feels automated. So you should always review and edit before sending anything. Second issue, over-automation. If you rely too much on auto-apply, you might apply to jobs that aren't a great fit, lower your response rate, so the tool should assist you, not replace your judgment. Third, pricing. Like many AI tools, the best features are behind a paywall. So while you can start for free, you'll likely need to upgrade to unlock full functionality. Now let's answer the big question. Is AI Apply the best job application platform in 2026? The honest answer is, it's one of the better tools, but not perfect. If you are applying to many jobs, short on time, struggling with resumes, then yes, it can be very helpful. But if you expect guaranteed interviews, fully automated success, that's not how it works. No tool can replace a strong profile, real experience, and a good strategy. Now let's wrap this up. AI Apply is a powerful tool for saving time, improving applications, and staying organized. But your results still depend on how you use it. So the best approach is simple. Use AI to assist you, not replace you. If this helped you, let me know. Would you trust AI to apply to jobs for you? Or do you prefer doing it manually?